Welcome to the channel. This is Isaac, and I am about to show you a 18, not even 18 feet long Class B camper van by Coachmen, the Pixel. This 17 feet 9 inches long camper van, I think it's amazing. Like, especially if you're an entry level, or even if you have a larger rig and you want to downsize, I think this would be perfect for a solo traveler. This could be a great weekender. It could be even like a long-term or like a full-time. As I said, if you are a solo traveler. The Pixel sits on the Ram ProMaster chassis, 136 inches wheelbase. It really provides you everything. Like, Coachmen did a great job fully loading this small, tiny Class B camper van. As I said, it sits on the Ram ProMaster chassis. As you walk into the cab, it is very smart the way it was designed. Great step as you walk inside with great blue lighting in there. Outside, before we hop in, I just want to show you. You already have two AC outlets, one USB-A, USB-C for exterior while you're outside if you wanted to charge anything or operate anything. You have a little table here, a drop-down table that you can easily put your coffee maker or a grill or your induction cooktop that is portable inside. You can bring it outside to cook. You have a little cubby here to put in like maybe a dog's leash or collar or stuff like that, kind of smaller items. Nice sturdy handle to climb on board. And when you come inside, you have this gigantic sofa, very comfortable. I already sat on it. And this is also your flexible bed, lounge, full-size bed. I'll show it you in a minute. Here's your kitchen. It's smaller kitchen, but it's very adequate. Like, it's got a nice big sink for this size of the camper with a nice faucet and a spray here, which extends outside if you wanted to clean and rinse things off or maybe even shower yourself. Here's your induction cooktop, and you can take it anywhere you want. You have a little cabinet up here, pretty spacious, very high and deep as well, and carpeted, so that's nice. You have lots and lots of drawers and cabinets here, but I love this. They thought of something that we all are struggling with. Trash, right? It's so simple. Look at that. At less than 18 feet long camper van, Coachmen managed to put into their Pixel this trash bin right here in front of you with some extra space. Maybe if you wanted to put another trash bin here or something else, but they provided to you. So that's really nice. More drawers. And I want to show you also the construction of the drawers here, the woodwork. They're all dovetail. That's very, very nice. It's not just like stapled or nailed. No, this is high quality production. Very nice. You've got 4 nice size drawers here. And one more here right underneath the refrigerator, which I'm going to show you, but this is really nice and big. This could be easily accommodating pots and pans. Above it, they raised the refrigerator to basically to a chest high location, so you don't have to be on your knees, you know, struggling to get into your refrigerator, because it's really nice. Like, it's high. They elevated it, which I don't understand why others are not doing it. So it's so easy to do. And right above it, you also have a convection microwave oven with air fryer. So that's really nice. And here you have what some people might call it as like storage space, like your wardrobe. But no, this is actually a very ample pantry. And there's also 2 of those. As you can see, there's one above and 2 or 3, 3 holes down below. So you have total 6 of those pantry spaces. And right above the bed, I have cabinets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And right above the cab, what everybody calls a pizza oven, is a great space to store all kinds of things like your window shades or, you know, anything that you want. And great Ram ProMaster. It's got all the bells and whistles that Ram ProMaster recently, a 2026 model, is offering. So it's great. I love it. try it. They do a great job recently. And you have this large table on a lagoon. It's a lagoon table, and it can rotate, get out of your way, or do anything you want with it. It's very, very nice. Now, your bed or your sofa is very modular. As you can see, this is nice big twin size bed without these cushions on top, which makes your backrest. But behind that also, there's like the insulated dual pane awning style windows, which easily opened, and you can keep them open even if it's raining outside, with bug net and privacy that you can use in any configuration you want. There's a USB-A, USB-C port right here, more cubbies for more things. You have your Bluetooth speaker that you can actually detach and take it with you to anywhere you want. And you have here a Wi-Fi signal booster, which comes standard, and more AC outlets, and even coaxial ports that makes it very, very convenient. I don't see a TV here, but I don't know. You don't need a TV really in such a small space. Everybody has a laptop or an iPad. And right above the door at the entrance, you have your command center with the solar on or off, 30 amp solar controller, your inverter controller, your awning, your Truma heating system, and your lights controllers. And here's your MaxxAir fan controller. In the kitchen, you have your generators control panel here, water pump, your tank heaters, your awning power, and your battery disconnect. Everything is here. Plus, you have a 12-volt electricity outlet, plus another USB-A and USB-C port, plus another AC outlet with additional USB-A and USB-C built into it. So that's really, really nice. And before I get back to the bed, I'm going to show you the bathroom, which is currently the door, the Ouija door is actually closed. When you open it, you walk inside to a wet bath, a rear bath, but it's very, very comfortable. Well, hello. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so now and give this video a like. Well, let's continue. It's a really nice rear bath. Very comfortable, very spacious, a folding sink. Here's your faucet. Here's your controller for your shower. Very nice. I have great headroom here. A hook to dry your towels, or if you want to hang something during or after shower. Behind the mirror, I have a cabinet, medicine cabinet, pretty large, plenty of space, including slots for your toothbrush. That's really cool. So you don't have to have like a glass or a cup or something for it. And that's very nice. And this sink easily folds away. I have a cassette toilet here, a toilet paper holder to keep it dry from any wetness. As I said, the Ouija door, and I have a closet here. So it's got shelves. Those shelves are removable, or you can adjust their heights. And two large drawers, very large. It comes all the way out, pushing me out of the way almost. And they're very, very deep. So this is really cool. It's got a bug net, an exhaust vent right above, a light, and a curtain that rolls all around and keeps everything dry. And I'm going to close this Ouija door so you can actually see the space. Well, it's very comfortable. I actually am a big fan of the rear bath on the Class B. I think that makes a lot of things easier and gives you more space, unlike other ones that hold space within the cabin, and it's typically very tight. And here's your access to your cassette. And over here, you have still access. You have one inside and a second one here for your water pump, water fill, cubbies to store all kinds of stuff, rear view camera, and nice access to the rear. And not to mention that on this door, you have your spare and your ladder to go all the way up to the roof. I think this is a great coach, great RV. And here you have your release valve and connecting port for your tanks, your gray tank in this case, because it's a cassette toilet. Here's your exhaust for your Truma, your cable, if you wanted to add more solar panels, like those portable solar kits, so it's already prepped for it. A sprayer for the outside, city water connection, fresh water connection. Great step to climb on board, and swiveling front seats makes it very, very comfortable. As I mentioned earlier, here's the bed, right? But as you can see, there's these pullable metal extensions. Now, when you do this, and let's say you take one of those cushions and you put it right here, right? You put it right here. So now you have a chaise longue that you can easily lounge and enjoy the view looking outside the door. It's really, really nice. So imagine that you could have these other pieces, another one and another one. So you have three of those. And when you put all three cushions into place, so you have a really nice, very comfortable, large, I think almost like it's actually bigger than full size. Bigger than a full-size bed here to call home for the night. And as you can see, there's even extra seat belts. So here it is. The bed is all made super easy. Only 3 extensions that you need to pull individually. And then here's your bed. And I'm gonna lay down on it. I'm comfortable, and there's still space for another person next to me. And I'll show you my feet. Yep. Plenty of space. I don't even touch the seat. I'm only 5'9". Great bed. To set up the sofa is as easy as it was to make it. All you have to do, remove these cushions, push these extensions, put all these cushions back to place, and you are done. And what I really like about these, the fact that these cushions are all separate and you can individually control how much space you want to extend and what do you want to use it with. That's really cool. Even put this here, lounge mode, and it's very, very comfortable. Really cool. I like it. How the table is very accessible and it can do a lot. I can work, I can dine. I can use this as an extension of my countertop. So, very nice. I think Coachmen did a great job. What do you guys think? Would you get into one of those? You have it all. Such a small space, it even has a rear bathroom. And at this show, the Pennsylvania RV Super Show, I was looking for the best value for the best Class B campervan, and I think I found it because the Pixel right now is running for $99,997. If you want to see another cool one, watch this right here. If you enjoyed this quick video of this little Pixel, let me know in the comments and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until the next time, see you on the road.